Hey y'all, hey. I went to Target today and I've been always wanting to have my own coffee maker, right? And it's the Keurig. But I finally got some money and I was like, hold up, I'm finna go all out, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you what I did. Oh my goodness. I finally got one, y'all. It is so nice. I've been using it already. And I had made me some chai tea. And then I got the, the container. Oh yeah, my minister had came over and then this what the water is. And then I had the chai tea and oh, y'all remember the vanilla lavender coffee at Starbucks? They still got some at Target. And then I had got the Pike plates, Starbucks. But I had did a we also have a tea setup station. But just, I had set up this because we had the minister come to our house. So I had the glasses ready for the water and, give them choice if they want chai tea, lavender, or regular coffee. But I'm going to put it back. They didn't drink no coffee. It's like, oh man, I want to see somebody use it too. So I got it. I put it out back. So now it's full. I haven't tried the coffee yet, so I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna have some regular coffee in the morning. But today I had the lavender and the chai. Oh, and that's what I also I had got some creamers. I had got the vanilla creamer. I had got the hazelnut creamer. And